In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use web search in ChatGPT. Web search mode lets ChatGPT look up information on the internet and tailor its answers using fresh, relevant sources. It's helpful when you need current facts, recent news, or details that aren't already in the model's built-in knowledge. Think of it as your research assistant that can search, read, and summarize so you don't have to open a dozen tabs. Here's how to turn it on. In the chat box, type a /, then type the words web search and press enter. That single command activates web search mode. You'll know it's working when ChatGPT acknowledges the mode and starts using online results to support its responses. From this point on, you can ask your question normally, just like any other chat. Now, try a clear, specific query. For example, you might say, find the latest guidance on creating a small vegetable garden in a balcony space, and cite the sources. ChatGPT will search, gather information, and present a concise answer, often with links or references, so you can check the originals. If the answer is too broad, ask it to narrow the scope. If it's too narrow, ask for a wider view. You're in a conversation, so short follow-ups work great, like focus on beginner-friendly tips, or include cost estimates. To get better results, add context about what you need. Mention your constraints such as a budget, a location, or a time frame, and ChatGPT will factor those into the search. You can also ask for a particular format like a comparison, a checklist, or a short summary with pros and cons. If you want sources up front, say please include links, and it will make them easy to review. If the first pass doesn't hit the mark, refine the query. Tell ChatGPT what to emphasize, what to ignore, and what success looks like. Phrases like prioritize official documentation, exclude paywalled articles, or summarize in under 150 words can significantly improve the usefulness of the result. A quick best practice note: always skim the cited sources before you make important decisions. Web content changes, and even good summaries can miss nuance. Also, avoid sharing personal or sensitive information in your prompts. Keep your requests clear, factual, and goal-oriented. That's all there is to it. Type the /, write web search, hit enter, and then ask what you need. With a single command and a few targeted follow-ups, you can turn ChatGPT into a focused research partner that saves you time and helps you find exactly what you're looking for.